Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find the routing number for VyStar Credit Union. This is super useful for setting up direct deposits or making wire transfers and many more. Let's dive in. Step 1. Visit VyStar's official website. First, open your web browser and go to VyStar's official website. You can do this by typing vystarcu.org into your address bar and hitting enter. Now step 2. Navigate to the member support section. Once you are on the homepage, look for the member support section. This is usually found in the main menu or at the bottom of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Find the direct deposit information. In the member support section, you will see various options. Click on manage your account and then select direct deposit. This page contains all the information you need about setting up direct deposits, include the routing number. Step 4. Note the routing number. Here you will find VyStar's routing number, which is 2630799276. Make sure to write it down or save it somewhere safe for future reference. That's all. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. We will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, stay tuned.